Now here take a look into this data. Our motto is to find the total, that is unit multiplied by rate, which yields the total. So the total column has been already being populated. So what we need to do is that we need to first of all delete this total column, and then from scratch create a column label of total and perform the product operation. How can we do that? So I am clicking on H, and after right clicking on it, I am getting delete column. After deletion of the column, after keeping my cursor on the rate, I am pressing tab key, and there I am writing total. Fine. So it didn't take up the, okay, so total. So what we will be doing is that we will be writing the function product. Select this particular product option, and it will be unit multiplied by rate. Close the braces and press enter. Voila, we have the total being generated. Now our motto is to find out what is the total amount generated, that is what is the total electric bill consumption which has been sent by WBSDCL and CSC. For that we can do a simple application, simple mathematical aggregate function like sum, and selecting the sum we can equal to sum. After clicking on sum, what we will be doing is that we will be selecting this range of cells and then close the braces and then press enter. It's 81416. So the sum of this particular total is 81416. Now my next motto is that I don't need to know what the individual total has been generated by each of the purchaser. I need to find a summarized report that what is the total amount of electric bill that is being consumed by WBSDCL and CSC. So we'll be using a function called subtotal in the next video.